Hello guys, in this series we are making $1 million. My goal with this series is to experiment together and learn how the YouTube algorithm works and how you can build a YouTube business. Today we are at 0.070% and our total revenue is close to $750. This is day 63 and our profit is $543. We spent $133 and we invested 31 and the AdSense revenue is 707. So these are our investments in this microphone and in Ripple, and this is the top comment. I want to invest in crypto. So one of our viewers commented this and we actually invested in crypto in Ripple, as you've seen at the previous slides. So this is the top comment section, and every time you suggest something or ask a question, we are going to answer or implement it in the next video. Now let's jump into the YouTube studio to see how our channel is doing today. Right now we have 2,329 subscribers, and let's jump into the stats to see how we are doing today. We have 99.6 thousand views in the last 28 days, 1.3 thousand watch hours, 387 new subscribers this month, and our estimated revenue for this month is $323.2. Let's see the last 48 hours. As you can see, these are the most viewed videos for the last 48 hours, and these are the best videos for the last 60 minutes. Now see some more revenue statistics. As you can see, our RPM is rising, which is always a good thing. That's why our revenue is also a little bit higher. As you can see, our RPM is $4.13, and in May we've made a little bit more money than in April, but you should also know that this is not the full month of April because it's only calculated until up to the 29th of May, so there are still 2 days that aren't included in the stat. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.